Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing the easiest way to create a low bun updo. Perfect for daytime, evenings work, or any special occasion. Quick prep. I let my hair air dry about 80%, and then I like to apply the Gazoo honey milk cream. It gives the hair like a soft, flexible hold. Now I do like to curl my hair for this updo because it adds movement and makes the hairstyle look softer, but a sleek base is beautiful too. And I pinned the front section to give it a more defined curl. Then I smoothed some carousel glaze drops throughout the length to smooth frizz, and I used the day hair cream around my hairline and nape of the neck to tame flyaways without any stiffness. Start by smoothing your hair back with your fingers for a softer look and secure into a tight, low ponytail. Pinch and pull gently at the crown to create that lived-in volume. Now grab the base of your ponytail with your left hand, index finger on top, thumb underneath, then wrap your ponytail counterclockwise down and around your index finger and the base of your ponytail. Keep your index finger in place, then slide your thumb next to it so you can reach through the loop and pull your ends all the way through to create a knot. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then bring your ends down and wrap them counterclockwise underneath the knot to hide them. So hold your bun tightly against your head and pin all the way around the outside. Beautiful, add more glaze drops for shine, release that front piece, and how simple and elegant. I hope you liked today's video. Please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.